So now we have here Apple MacBook Air M1 chip, recently launched of 2021. So now we are going to unbox this. We have ordered it from Flipkart and it is very nice packing, and they have given with full care course. So let's start to unbox it. So there is a tape above it. I will tear it. You should do it very smoothly, otherwise your laptop must get some tears. So now we are going to unbox this Apple MacBook Air. So the packing is very good, as you can see. There are a lot of covering things. About it. And here is also the information we get from where we have buy. What is the thing, as you can see here, Apple MacBook Air M1. So we will unbox it. We can keep it aside and we will take our MacBook out. So in this box we have Apple MacBook Air. So we don't need it. We can tear it from here. And then it is very smooth and comfortable packing. The inside it is MacBook. So it is MacBook Air M1, and they have given very smooth and simple packing, as you can see. So as you can see, we have here our brand new Apple Air MacBook M1. It has 8 GB unified memory and 256 GB SSD. It is a 13-inch MacBook Air with Apple M1 chip. So let's unbox it. So in these Apple products we don't need to use any scissors, and we can easily remove these plastic coverings, and it is very smooth to remove all these things. So this is our MacBook Air M1. I am very excited to unbox it and see what things we get in this. So let's open this box. So we have this space grey color. It is available in gold and silver too, but I uniquely specified this space grey color because it is very simple and classic to see. So this is its upper covering box, and here we have our MacBook Air M1. So this is our MacBook Air, and firstly we will see what we get in this box. So in this box we get this designed by Apple in California, a MacBook Air guide, some 2 stickers of space grey color, and some guidebook things, and then we get a charger of our MacBook, and this charger is very heavy and very useful. This charges very instantly our MacBook. And then we have the cable of the MacBook. It is type C to type C cable. So this is our cable. we can get. And then we only get these 2 to 3 things in this, but the most important thing is our MacBook. This is a 13-inch MacBook and it is not very heavy as you can see of other laptops. This MacBook is very lightweight and easy to use. So here we have our MacBook Air M1 13-inch of space grey color. So as you can see, this is very comfortable and very classy to see. And its body is also made of very nice materials. So now we will open it. So this is our Apple MacBook Air M1. Thank you.